Have you ever Googled yourself? Try it right now. What did you find? Photos, old social media posts, comments you made years ago? Congratulations. You've just discovered your digital footprint. And here's the scary part. It's permanent. Everything you do online leaves a trace. And today, we are going to talk about what that means for your privacy, your career, and your future. So, what exactly is a digital footprint? Simply put, it's a trail of data you leave behind every time you use the internet. Think of it like footprints in the sand, except these never wash away. There are two types of digital footprints. Active footprints are things you intentionally share online, like posting a photo on Instagram, tweeting your opinion, or leaving a review on Amazon. Passive footprints are the data collected about you without you even realizing it, like your browsing history, your location when you use apps, or the websites that track your clicks with cookies. Both types create a detailed picture of who you are online. And trust me, it's more detailed than you think. Let's talk about what makes up your digital footprint. Every time you post a selfie, comment on a friend's post, or like a video, that's part of your footprint. When you shop online, websites track what you browse, what you buy, and even what you almost bought but didn't. Your search history, Google knows everything you've ever searched for. From how to tie a tie to symptoms of a headache at 2 a.m. Even your emails, your Netflix watch history, and the apps on your phone are collecting data about you. And here's the kicker. Even if you delete something, it might still exist somewhere. Screenshots, archives, cached pages. The internet has a long memory. Now you might be thinking, so what? I have nothing to hide. But here's why your digital footprint matters more than you think. First, privacy. Companies track your every move online to sell your products. Ever noticed how you search for sneakers on one website and suddenly every website you visit shows you sneaker ads? That's your digital footprint at work. Your data is being collected, analyzed, and often sold to advertisers. Second, your reputation. Employers, universities, and even landlords Google you before making decisions. One study found that 70% of employers check candidates' social media before hiring them. That embarrassing photo from 5 years ago, that angry tweet, they could cost you a job. Third, security risks. The more information you share online, the easier it is for hackers to steal your identity. Posting your birthday, your pet's name, or your favorite vacation spot might seem harmless, but those are common security questions for your bank account. And here's the scary truth. Your digital footprint can even affect your credit score, your insurance rates, and your ability to get a loan. In some countries, your online behavior is used to calculate a social credit score. The future is here and it's watching. So, what can you do about it? You can't erase your digital footprint completely, but you can manage it. Here's how. Step 1. Google yourself. Seriously, do it right now. See what comes up. If there's something embarrassing or outdated, try to remove it or contact the website to take it down. Step 2. Adjust your privacy settings. Go through your social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and make sure your posts are only visible to people you trust. Don't leave everything public. Step 3. Think about your post. Ask yourself, would I be okay with my boss, my parents, or a future employer seeing this? If the answer is no, don't post it. Step 4. Delete old content. Go through your old posts, photos, and comments. If something doesn't represent who you are today, delete it. Step 5. Use private browsing. When you are searching for something sensitive, use incognito mode or a private browser. It won't make you invisible, but it helps. Step 6. Be careful with apps. Before downloading any app, check what permissions it's asking for. Does a flashlight app really need access to your contacts and location? Probably not. And remember, once something is online, it's out of your control. So be smart, be conscious, and protect your digital identity. Before we wrap up, let's learn some useful expressions related to digital footprints. Leave a trace means to leave evidence of something behind. Online presence refers to how you appear on the internet. Data trail is the record of your online activity. Digital shadow is another term for your digital footprint, the invisible trail you leave behind. So, here's your challenge. After watching this video, Google yourself. Check your privacy settings, clean up your old posts, take control of your digital footprint before someone else does. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more modern English concepts. And let me know in the comments, what did you find when you Google yourself? I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, stay smart, stay safe, and remember, the internet never forgets.